the saddest part is realizing I was never hard to love. You just got comfortable. So now I wear my hurt like velvet venom. Sweet voice, black heart underneath it. Every room remind me I could leave and still be wanted. You keep sleeping on a woman other people dream about. That's the type of loss you don't feel until she gone. I stopped over-explaining. Stop bleeding in your hand. Stop trying to convince somebody to treat me like I'm mad. And now my energy mysterious. Now my love got a price. Now I look too good to be this lonely. Every single night you don't compliment me anymore. You don't reach for me first, but strangers see me instantly. That's what make this hurt. You made me emotionally homeless inside a house we built together. I could break hearts accidentally now. That's what neglect created. A woman who forgot guilt after feeling unappreciated. And I ain't crossed the line yet, but temptation getting louder every time you make me feel easy to forget about it. So now I wear my hurt like velvet venom. Sweet voice, black heart underneath it. Every room remind me I could leave and still be wanted. You keep sleeping on a woman other people dream about. One day you gon' look up and realize I checked out. Yeah. You only love me when I'm distant, when my eyes stop asking questions, when another man start noticing everything you left neglected. Now I move like pretty danger. Soft skin, sharp behavior. You made me cold in self-defense. Now I wear revenge like makeup. Glass teeth when I smile now. Pretty lies and high heels. You don't touch me like you mean it, but somebody else will. I got tired of performing like you almost was enough. Like bare minimum affection was some version of real love. I bent until I broke quietly. Still made dinner, still stay loyal. Why you gave your best attention to everything except us? Now the silence got expensive. Now my energy don't beg. Now I leave the room untouched and let your conscience crawl in bed. Funny thing about starving women, eventually they stop asking, and suddenly everybody notice how beautiful they actually are. You only love me when I'm distant, when my eyes stop asking questions, when another man start noticing everything you left neglected. Now I move like pretty danger. Soft skin, sharp behavior. You make me cold in self-defense. Now I wear revenge like makeup. I used to want reassurance. Now I just want options. They never talk about this part, the aftermath of staying too long. Now I got side effects of loving you. Cold touch, heart removed from view. I don't react the same no more. That's what surviving you can do. I don't bleed where I used to. I don't break like before. You made me something unfamiliar, something you can't reach anymore. I memorize your inconsistency like it was a language I should speak. Turn red flags into normalcy just to keep you next to me. Now affection feels suspicious, no comfort feels too far. Now I question every softness that doesn't come with scars. You train me into patience, then punish me for waiting. That's the kind of love that changes everything you created. And I hate that I still remember who I was before this, but she doesn't live here anymore. She left with your forgiveness. Now I got tired of acts of loving you, cold touch, heart removed from view. I don't react the same no more. That's what surviving you can do. I don't bleed where I used to. I don't break like before. You made me something unfamiliar, something you can't reach anymore. You didn't lose me in one moment. You lost me in every small one you ignored. Don't try to reach me. I'm not available in that frequency anymore. My heart on airplane mode, don't disturb. I don't receive what you prefer. You talk like I'm still inside your reach, but I left that world. Now I'm somewhere above the noise, somewhere you can't translate. I don't respond to emotional debt. I don't operate that way. I stop reacting to confusion like it means something deep. Sometimes people just don't know how to treat what they keep. You didn't break me in one moment, you just repeated the small things until I stopped assigning meaning to anything. Now I move like I already know where every cycle ends. I don't enter conversations that require me to pretend. It's not avoidance, it's awareness. It's not distance, it's design. I just stopped participating in what kept wasting my time. My heart on airplane mode, don't disturb. I don't receive what you prefer. You talk like I'm still inside your reach, but I left that world. Now I'm somewhere above the noise, somewhere you can't translate. I don't respond to emotional debt. I don't operate that way. I didn't leave love. I left the version that drained it. It's funny how loud silence gets when you're the reason it's happening. Now it's dead air when you call my name. No more tears, no more shame. I stopped translating your distance into reasons I should stay. You feel it now, don't you? The absence in the room, that's what I sounded like before I stopped loving you. I used to fill your empty spaces like it was my job to fix you. Turn my softness into labor just to keep a version of you. Now I don't rush to reply back. Now I don't overstay pain. Now I let you sit in what you made without me explaining. You don't get access to my warmth just because you remember late. I already grieved this privately. You're just watching it take shape. Funny how you only notice when the comfort disappears, but I was screaming in your presence for years. Now it's dead air when you call my name. No more tears, no more shame. I stopped translating your distance into reasons I should stay. You feel it now, don't you? The absence in the room. That's what I sounded like before I stopped loving you. Silence is louder when it finally belongs to me. I'm mute everything you say. It doesn't reach me anymore. I don't process noise that I've heard before. Your words don't land, they just pass through. I don't absorb what isn't true. I filtered you out. I'm mute everything you say. It doesn't stay, it doesn't shape my day. I'm mute everything you say. No reaction, no way. I already escaped that state. You talk like it matters, but it doesn't register. I detached clean, no emotional blur. Sound off permanently. I'm mute everything you say, and I'm fine. In my silence, I align. Quiet. You only notice fire when the room get cold. That's the funny part. You don't see me till somebody else there too long. Don't hear my heart till it beat in another song. You made me beg for crumbs inside a house I built. Now you look nervous every time I dress to kill. Oh, now you care, now you panic when I go outside. Funny how attention grows the second mine dies. I got options at the side door. Love don't live here anymore. You kept treating me invisible. Now I know exactly what I'm worth to them for. I was loyal past exhaustion, cracked my pride in every argument. Held your weight while drowning quietly. You called it working on it. I wore softness like religion. You wore distance like designer. Now my silence is different. Now the room feel violent. I stopped asking to be chosen. That's what changed the atmosphere. People notice when a woman finally disappear. You got used to me surviving through the bare minimum. Now your ego start bleeding cause somebody else is listening. I hate that I can feel it, how easy it would be to let another pair of hands undo what you did to me. Not for love, not for healing, just to finally feel desired after begging at your feet for basic human fire. You don't see me till somebody else did too long. Don't hear my heart till it beat in another song. You made me beg for crumbs inside a house I built. Now you look nervous every time I dress to kill. Oh, now you care, now you panic when I go outside. Funny how attention grows the second mine dies. I got options at the side door. Love don't live here anymore. You kept treating me invisible. Now I know exactly what I'm worth to them for. You confused comfort with devotion. That was your mistake. You thought I'd stay soft forever. You thought being needed meant being loved. Now every mirror in this house look like revenge. I could walk into a room and get 10 versions of your effort without explaining why I'm hurting, without carrying the weather. That's the part that made me cruel now, realizing I'm not hard to love. You just stopped trying while I overgave enough. And I know that sounds dangerous, but pain makes beautiful villains, especially women who kept choosing forgiveness. I don't even want the bodies, I just want the confirmation that I wasn't asking too much for affection and attention. You don't see me till somebody else there too long. Don't hear my heart till it beat in another song. You turn my love into survival, now the softness gone. And every time I leave the house, I feel temptation sing. 'Cause being lonely next to somebody hit different. I got options at the side door. Heart black silk in heavy war. You kept treating me invisible. Now I don't knock anymore. There's nothing left to say. Dead the conversation. Nothing left to explain. Already spoke truth, still stayed in pain. I don't go back and forth, I don't chase replies. If it caused my peace, then it's a goodbye. Some things don't need closure. Dead the conversation, let it stay that way. I don't revisit what drains my day. Conversation, no more energy spent. I already left where my peace went. You can keep your version, I won't debate it. I know what I lived, I don't need to rate it. Silence is final. Yeah, the conversation is already